So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest job opportunities and career tips. So if you are someone who loves data analytics and renewable energy, then today's opportunity is definitely for you because Quest Global is hiring for the role of Associate Performance Analyst in Bengaluru, and this could be a great opportunity for a candidate with strong Excel, Python, SQL or Power BI skills. So in this video, I'll be quickly breaking down what this role is all about and the skills required. Along with that, I will also be mentioning who and all can apply for this opportunity. And along with that, I will also be mentioning why this is a strong career move. So let's get started into this opportunity. So before diving into the roles and responsibilities, let's understand about the company, which is Quest Global. So Quest Global is a global engineering services company operating in countries with over 21k employees. The work across industries like aerospaces, automotive, energy, and many more. So this particular role is under the energy category, which means you will be working closely with renewable energies and power generation systems. So let's understand the role overview first. So as an associate performance analyst, your main responsibility will be to monitor plant performance and analyze the data. Some of the key responsibilities include monitoring plant health using performance systems. You'll also be analyzing system generated alarms, calculating KPIs like availability and performance ratio, plus you'll also be performing root cause analysis for underperformance, plus generating detailed performance reports, working closely with asset managers and stakeholders. You'll also be supporting the automation through scripts and dashboards, so you will get exposure to Python scripts as well. So plus you'll also get you'll also be contributing to the data lake and analytics tools implementation. So you're going to get a great exposure into analytics and the tech. So basically, this is a strong, data-driven analytical role in the renewable energy space. So this is a detailed review about the roles and responsibilities. Now let's understand the skills required for this opportunity. So since this is an associate performance analyst role, so even a fresher is eligible for this opportunity. Yes, so that's a very good news for all the freshers out there who are having skills in SQL, Python, Power BI, and yes, any data engineering tools as well. So as they have mentioned, you should have the good knowledge in Excel, including VBA. If you have the knowledge of VBA, they will prefer you over others. And plus they are also expecting a strong experience on the knowledge in data analysis, comfortable with large data sets. If you are already worked into large data sets, even if you have done some projects on Kaggle, that's enough for you to participate in this hiring program. And the one thing which is very much important is a good communication skill. So you must have a very good communication skill, so because you have to communicate with the stakeholders. And for that, this is a role where communication plays a very important role. So now they have also mentioned preferred skill sets, which will keep you uh, keep you different from other people, which will keep you in a position where you will be given chances, or you will be given preferences than other people. So those skill sets are Python, R, SQL, Power BI or Tableau. So if you know Python or SQL, if you have a good knowledge on Python or SQL, so you are definitely going to get edge over the other people. And experience with SCADA system, if you have experience with the SCADA system, again you will get edge over others, because this is something few people might ignore. And yes, these small things matters a lot in the interview. Plus they are also expecting they also have mentioned in the preferred skills that if you are someone with an understanding of electricity generation and solar energy, because this is again going to be an energy project, as I mentioned, that it's more into renewable energy, which is solar energy and all. So if you have some understanding of that, you will again have an edge over the other people. So if you are someone who already worked in analytics or want to move into energy analytics, then this is a very strong profile building opportunity. So let's understand who and all can apply. So candidate with a degree into engineering, mathematics, renewable energy, computer science, data related fields can apply for this opportunity. Freshers are welcome too for this opportunity. So yes, if you are a fresher, you must apply for this opportunity, because this is a opportunity where you will get a great exposure to work into the data analytics tools. Plus you'll also get exposure to work into something which is very important, that is renewable energy, and the energy which we are going to rely in future as well. So that is how it's going to impact and help you a lot in your career building. So, and also one thing is I want to mention that if you're experienced candidate, so you have a similar role as you can see over here. So you can, instead of going for this associate performance analyst role, you can just directly go for this performance analyst role. And yes, you can get the link directly from here. So I will be mentioning everything in description, so you don't have to worry about that. So yeah, this was about this role. And now let me tell you why this role is good. So you'll work in renewable energy, which is a future proof industry that I already mentioned, because we are going to rely in future on this renewable source only, because this non-renewable might not last longer. So you also building strong KPI analytics and reporting skills. Plus, so you will also get exposure to automation and dashboard that I already mentioned. You will get exposure to work into automation. Plus, a great career growth, of course, in energy analytics, because this is something which is never gonna end. So, definitely, this is something to invest your time and the career in. So also this role opens door towards the senior analyst role, performance engineer, and even a data scientist into energy. So plus you can even become analytics consultant as well. So a lot of opportunity, future opportunities aligned with this role. So if you like this role, and if you're serious about the building your career into data analysis within the energy sector, then this is definitely worth applying for. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for daily job updates and career tips. Also comment energy if you want to interview preparation, especially for this role. And I'll be mentioning, if I get enough comments, I'll be definitely mentioning the resources to prepare for this particular role. And yeah, that's it for this opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.